Hi, this is Professor Griggs, and I want to provide a brief overview of the discussion expectations so that you'll know how to earn the highest possible score and get what you're looking for out of the discussions. So the first thing to be aware of is that we're going to have weekly discussions every week, and that your original posts are going to be due on Thursdays with your responses due on Sundays. So for that original response to the questions, you really want to think in terms of paragraphs. Have a topic sentence, answer all the questions, have a concluding wrap-up sentence. You want to make sure that you pay attention to that, and make sure that you adhere to the due dates. There will be points lost if you do not post by Thursday at 11:59 p.m. So for your original responses, you're probably pretty confident you've seen things like this in other classes before, so that's not going to be too different. What is going to be a little bit different is that we're going to use something called a 2+2 response format. And 2+2 is just an easy way to remember what you want to be doing when you respond to your peers. So essentially what it means is that first of all, you're going to address your peer by name, hi Joe, or whatever you're going to say, and you're going to say two nice things in complete sentences about what they wrote. I really enjoyed reading your post because da-da-da-da-da. It made me think about a time when da-da-da-da-da, whatever. Two nice, positive, encouraging thoughts. Then you want to extend what they have said in two more ways. You could ask a question. Have you ever considered adding this to what you're talking about? Or, I saw something like that similar before, and then you add your experience to it. But the idea is that you're going to complement what's there as well as add some value. And yes, that means you need to have at least 4 sentences for your response and definitely address your peer by name. Now, after that, you do need to go back and respond to those people that responded to you. So that means the nice thing to do is find somebody that hasn't been responded to yet and try to respond to them if you can in some way. But it does require a little bit of planning. As I mentioned, original posts are due on Thursday at 11:59, which gives you Friday, Saturday, Sunday to go in and respond to somebody. You can post early. You can respond as soon as people are available if you're trying to get the weekend off or something like that. But the idea here is 2+2. Good first response and then a good second response where you're doing lots of adding value to what's going on in the conversation. Now, there's a few things to be aware of. You want to make sure that you're working with netiquette. The school has a civility code, so we don't want to call anybody names. We want to be polite, write things that you would want people to write to you, and then definitely use spell check, use grammar check. One idea is to write what you're going to post in a Word document first and run the spell and grammar check, and then post it up on the discussion board. But you do want it to be professional and academic, the way that it's going to be. And definitely let me know if there's an issue. Sometimes the computer technology gets kind of problematic. Let me know if that's going on. Other times somebody will post something that maybe wasn't what they were supposed to post. Let me know if there's a problem. I will be checking constantly, but sometimes you guys see things before I do. So definitely let me know. So as a recap, what does that mean? Your original posts are due on Thursday. Your responses are due by Sunday night. And we want to make sure that that original post is at least one good paragraph and your responses use that 2+2 format. Hope that clarifies the expectations. Take care.